Peace and greetings. How you doing today? I want to do a little video on what to do if your mask breaks. Everyone's running around here with masks, of course. I did a video prior to this about masks, how to wear them properly and stuff like that. So I was thinking, what if you got the proper N95 mask and all that, but then what if, where's that piece at? Right here. What if now the rubber band breaks on you? What do? Now you're kind of stuck, right? Especially if these are at a scarcity, which they are everywhere just about right now. And these things are really meant to be worn once a day, believe it or not. At most, I think 2 days or something like that. But I can tell you, no one has enough really to change them out every day. And even the hospitals are wearing one of these things for a whole week. You know, so imagine having to wear this whole thing for a whole week. As you can see, we got a little gadgetry going on here. And later on, I'll show you that what this stuff actually, why I did this. Because the rubber bands did pop off. So I thought to myself, what if I make like some string of my own? I used the old pair of camouflage pants. You don't have to have camouflage. I'll give you any type of material you want. Cut it up, make a little string. And I made it long enough where it could go around the back of my head, which I'll show you later on. Now, being that you can't wear this thing every single day like that without it, being funky or whatever. What I thought of doing is, can't let y'all see the label here because I ain't about to pay nobody. Spray a little bit in there. I actually did this earlier, but I'm doing it again to show y'all. And a little bit in the front. So now, what I would do is I would take this, let it sit for a while and dry off. And then it'd be good to wear again. So that'll prolong the life of it. But the main thing is, now these straps that's on here now can actually, I'm gonna tell you, it feels better with my little makeshift straps than it did with the rubber band. That thing was not comfortable and it marked up my skin. This right here, I can secure it as loose or as tight as I want. And it's comfortable for all day wear. Whereas wearing this thing with this, it's not comfortable. Not at all. Now you see I got some smudge on here, which I can clean it off. That's no big deal. I'm gonna clean it off. And then I'll let it sit again and dry off, and then I'll be able to wear it again. Now I have a little, not gonna say luxury, but I'm fortunate to have more than one of these masks. I'm actually just using this one for example. But now I'm gonna show you how it looks, finished product. Okay, so here we go. Here's our finished product. You see how it's fitted, comfortable, secure, keeping all the bad stuff out, letting the good stuff in. So got it, and it's securely fastened to my face, mind you. Here's a side view. So you can see my makeshift strap that I made. Nothing spectacular, nothing fancy. You can do this with string, rubber band, whatever works for you. I thought this would be comfortable because it's cotton. It won't be marking my skin up. You see, and then underneath the chin, comfortable. No real problem, no suffocation and strangulation, none of that stuff going on. I could wear it like this all day long and get my full Cobra Commander Mortal Kombat Scorpion on. So follow me on Instagram at @the_new_inspiration 1974 on IG. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you and peace.